Hello, it is very nervous Pixel Weekly back again. I just received the RAM, so now to see if the RAM was the problem. I got specific Ryzen HyperX Fury. It looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than the G-Skill in my opinion. I think I like the design a lot better for sure. So let's go ahead and get into it. Where's my pocket knife? There we go, just like that. And then here's the RAM. And an installation guide. That's actually very light RAM. I like the aluminum cooling thing. That's what it's called. I think there might be a sticker that comes with it. Yeah, I'm not going to put the sticker on it just because I don't need to show off my RAM. Warranty and installation guide. I'll just, you know, it's the same for all RAM, honestly, but I'll look through it just in case. And then I can just loosen that. I thought I'd document this part just in case it does work or doesn't work. There's a small chance I won't be uploading this, but one thing I hate about this board is that this, okay, let me bring the light over here. This little guy right here on the other side of the RAM, it actually does not go down. This one does. This one goes down just fine, but this one doesn't. This one's fixed in place. So, let's go and put this in. Let me see. Everything line up? Yep, that's the way. I think it is. Let me make sure. Is it all the way? Yep. One more update. I actually called Corsair support, and the guy who talked to me said in most cases it is indeed the power supply's fault when things like this happen. I told him the entire thing. I told him about the RAM. I told him about, you know, everything. How many people have told me it's the motherboard. How many people have told me it's the power supply. And he just said that most likely it is the power supply. And I think that kind of means a lot coming from the actual brand, because I've heard that usually technical support for, you know, PC brands or like PC building brands usually blame others, like, you know, blame the motherboard or blame the power, GPU or something. So it looks like I have a more definitive answer. Let's hope it is this. And worst case scenario, I get this back, still doesn't work. I still have a three-year warranty on the motherboard, and I'll get that fixed. So yeah, that's it. Okay, day one of the fix. I've taken the PSU out. I already sent it to back to Newegg. It should be there in maybe 4 or 5 days, and then we just kind of wait from there. Let's hope that it doesn't take too long. And I also already ordered my new PSU, which I might be putting on screen now, and that is a EVGA 600 watt, 80 plus bronze efficiency rating. It has great reviews from over 200 people. Actually almost 300 people, so I'm pretty confident that that one will be good. It not only has a higher efficiency rating, but also has more wattage, which, you know, more wattage the better, honestly. And I think that's about it. So once that new PSU comes in, I will go and update. Want to see something magical? Okay, ready? Ready for this? You're gonna be pretty impressed. Would you look at that? One problem with it I still have though, power button doesn't work, which, you know, I can always jump it. And another problem is not getting any video to the video card. Monitor just says, "Ooh, I can't find it." So gonna need a new video card, which, you know, it's fine. But it's finally working. Oh, actually, the funny thing is I went to Reddit, and they helped me a lot. So, shout out to Reddit Build a PC, and I think his name was Ignis something on Reddit. And someone suggested I name the PC after him, so I might do that. So continue to suggest names, and I'll talk to you guys later.